In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's LED Command Interior Kit. The following tools would be needed for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used when installing these products. Let's get started. Open the boxes to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Grab the provided 12-volt plug adapter. Insert into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet. Connect the Bluetooth hub to the 12-volt plug adapter and included extensions to the corresponding channels. Now connect the male end of the first EZ-Link strip into channel 1 of the Bluetooth hub. Based on where you'd like to mount your starter kit, you may need to use an extension kit. With Alpena's Install Kit EZ-Link, you have two 12-inch extensions that can allow for longer reach on your wire length. In some cases, you may need multiple kits, so plan ahead. Plan where you'd like to mount the LED strips. Use a mix of soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. For added measure, also use rubbing alcohol. Be sure to avoid using acetone as a cleaning product, as they can potentially damage your plastic parts and leave residue. When the surface is dry from cleaning, peel off the 3M stripping from the LED strips. Place the exposed 3M tape onto the surface and press firmly onto the strips. Use the EZ-Link extensions and repeat for the remaining strips. Once you've mounted your strips and extensions, you can now mount your Bluetooth power hub. Once connected, you're ready to use the app. Open the app. Please read the warning, acknowledgement, and press Agree to move forward. Pick the product you're connecting. Click Found. When Found changes to Connected, click Connected. You can now choose your vehicle type at the top. At this point, you have the option to individually control your strips. To choose a color, choose any of the preset colors at the top or use the custom color selecting wheel. For brightness, control the brightness using the brightness sliding tool. When you've picked a color, click Save, then choose a number. You have up to 6 slots for saving color choices. You can also click Scenes for preset color modes. After choosing your scene, you can adjust the speed with the sliding tool at the bottom of the page. To control them as a group, go back to the home page. Click Grouping. You can choose to group all strips or a selected amount for grouping. Click Go. Here you have the same color, brightness, and scene options. Choose your colors and save. Go back to the home page. You have the option to rename your Alpena Bluetooth products. Click Edit at the top left of the screen and choose your product. Type the desired nickname for the product. Your accessory light is now connected.